Quality dash cameras don't have to be very expensive. This is an affordable dash cam for your car. This is 3-channel, 3-in-1, recording the front, recording inside of the car, and recording back of the car. And the best part of this also has an additional. It has what do you call it? It has the reverse camera. This one, it acts as a reverse camera. You connect it using this cable here, this red cable. You connect it to the reverse light huko nyuma, then hii ingine unaingiza kwa ile plug iko hapo. Hii inakuja inaleta hapo mbele, sijui kama inaweza focus. So generally that is how unafaa kuconnect. Na hii dashcam tumesema inatumia cigarette lighter, ndio hii hapa cigarette lighter. But kama hautaki kutumia cigarette lighter, there is how you connect. Una connect hapo na center console. We normally do that kind of installation, but you can give it to your wiring foodie na ataweza kukufixia. So hii pia tumesema iko na wide angle, ina record na up to 170 degrees wide angle, iko na microphone loop na ina record na full HD. So this whole set na kupeana, ikiwa zote kamera zote nne hivi, na kupeana 4K only. We are located in Kitengela and we do deliveries countrywide. Number on bio.